right to the lily pad. Maybe a fish will catch it and save you. Where'd Brady go? Troy, you might need to help me.
Is it fun? Look at that little wake you guys have.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
Hi. Dawn. Scare them out. The secret to fishing, Dawn, is become the hunter.
There we go. That is a cat.
That was a cast.